polynomials using the binomial theorem. By the help of the formula, the quantity of a plus b raised to n, where n is a positive integer, you can expand binomials. And to solve the coefficient of every terms, we will use the formula n factorial over n minus r factorial times r factorial. Let's start. The first example is the quantity of a plus b raised to the fifth power when n is equal to 5. Those numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are and also as you can see, the symbols, the exponents of the symbols is equal to 5 because n is equal to 5. 5 plus 0 is equal to 5, 4 plus 1 is equal to 5, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, and etc. So, to solve the coefficient of the of every terms, we will use the formula n factorial over the quantity of n minus r factorial times r factorial. Let's start. So r is equal to 0, so comes 0, 0. So we become 5 factorial over 5 factorial is equal to 1. So this term, the coefficient of this term will be equal to get the second term. You need to use the formula again. 5 factorial is over the quantity of 5 minus 1 factorial times 1 factorial, and you will get 5 factorial over 4 factorial times 1 factorial. So to expand, you need to 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 all over 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 times 1 because of the 1 factorial, and cancel the same value 4321, 4321, and the remaining value will be 5 factorial over 1 factorial. So 5 over 1 is equal to 5. So let's proceed to the next term. Use again the formula n factorial over the quantity of n minus r factorial times r factorial. So 5 factorial over 5 minus 2 factorial times 2 factorial becomes 5 over 3 factorial times 2 factorial. So to expand, same procedure, 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 all over 3 times 2 times 1 times 2 times 1. Cancel the same terms and it will become 20 over 2 means 10. So the coefficient of the third term is equal to 10. Remember, to get the coefficient of every terms, you will use the formula n factorial over the quantity of n minus r factorial times r factorial. So we get this final answer. So we need to simplify it. 8 to the 5th plus 5a raised to 4th, b raised to 1, etc., etc. And when you're expanding, for example, x plus 1 raised to 5, those problems have the same power, which is raised to 5. So we can substitute it. We can substitute x to a and 1 to b. So it will becomes x raised to fifth plus 5x raised to 4, 1 raised to 1 plus 10x raised to 3, then 1 squared plus 10x squared is 1 raised to cube plus 5x, then 1 raised to 4 plus 1 raised to 5. Simplify the final answer. It will become x to the fifth plus 5x raised to the fourth power plus 10x cubed plus 10x squared plus 5x plus 1. So that's all guys. Thank you. Remember guys, when you're expanding binomials, use the formula a plus b raised to n, and to get the coefficient, use the formula n factorial over n minus 1 r factorial times r factorial. So that's all. Thank you.